What's up guys, this is Jorem. Welcome back to my channel, The Easy Access. Guess what? Mag-unbox tayo ng Moza Mini S Essential Smartphone Gimbal. By the way, I would like to say thank you Gadget1 Shopee for making it very easy and smooth transaction para sa gimbal na to. Thank you. With lots of gimbals in the market, kasama na dun yung competition, I think Moza Mini S is one to consider. The Moza Mini S has a foldable design, object tracking, camera control, one bottom zoom, portrait mode, and easy balance. So actually nakalagay siya dito sa box ng Moza Mini S. So ito yung box nga pala niya. Ito yung sinabi ko kanina. Nandyan yan. That's it. So again, this is the box. Color white. Yun, may picture ng Moza Mini S. Di masyadong malaki yung box. Unbox natin to later. And isa sa mga nagustuhan ko sa Moza Mini S is the object tracking. Yun yung favorite ko na mode.
By the way, si Moza Genie app is downloadable through App Store if you're iOS and Play Store if you're Android. As seen on your screen, I'm using the object tracking mode. And I will try to have a full review and tutorials of the Moza Mini S. And right now, I am currently enjoying the object tracking mode. The Moza Genie app has a user-friendly interface. Thumbs up!
Hindi naman bago si Moza Mini S sa market. I think 2 to 3 years na ata siya. Yun. For a small YouTuber like me, smartphone gimbal is a big help. If you want a cinematic approach or a cinematic sequence in your vlog, well, the Moza Mini S can help you. So, let's go sa unboxing. Wait, don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button with the notification bell for more updates on my video. Salamat po.
Now here's the unboxing. As you can see, nakabalot pa siya sa plastic. When it comes to packaging naman, nakabalot ng maayos si Moza Mini S. Thumbs up kay Gadget1, 10 over 10. As you can see, nakabalot pa ng bubble wrap yung box natin. Good job! And by the way, the Moza Mini S is a 3-axis gimbal. Gamit ang gunting, nag-end na ng contract si bubble wrap. Thank you for protecting our box. Yun, kaya bibigyan ko ng 5 stars si Gadget1. A quick shoutout to Adrian Benaag. Thank you for subscribing. For comments and suggestions, feel free to comment down below. Once again, I would like to say thank you to the 400 plus subscribers. Pagkatapos kong kunin si bubble wrap, nakita ko kaagad yung resibo natin. Again, sa packaging, 10 over 10 kay Gadget1. Kung gusto mong bumili ng Moza Mini S, I will leave a link down below. After kunin si bubble wrap, may plastic pa pala ang box natin. And let's try to get the plastic. Sa mga susunod kong video, we will try a vlog using the Moza Mini S. So, yan yung actual box na wala ng plastic. To be honest, hindi ko pa alam kung paano siya buksan. So, i-open na natin yung box. Gamit yung pulling device. Pulling device nga ba? Pagkatapos mong i-detach yung cover box, ito dapat yung nasa loob ng Moza Mini S mo. You got there your sticker. So ayos, may sticker. You got there your getting ready manual. So that's your getting ready manual. So again, ito dapat yung nasa loob ng Moza Mini S box mo. You got here your user manual, your user guide. You got this little plastic na may lamang mga bilog sa loob. You got your mini stand. So buksan natin, nakabalot pa siya sa plastic. Yun. Last factor to na may stand si Moza Mini S. So try natin siyang i-set up. So ganun yung stand ng Moza Mini S. You got here the Type-C to USB connector for your charging. And may kasama pa siyang pouch. So try natin i-open. So ito yun. Ito yung pouch ng Moza Mini S. Pwede natin ilagay si Moza Mini S dito pag wala tayong box or pag wala tayong lalagyan. We got here the camera control cable. Ito yung gamit mo pag ayaw mo i-connect yung cellphone mo sa Bluetooth. And finally, ito yung Moza Mini S. Unlike other smartphone gimbal, si Moza Mini S ay foldable. Sobrang compact lang ni Moza Mini S. Pwede mo siyang ilagay sa bag mo with a pouch. Thumbs up kay Moza Mini S for that. So again, ito yung Moza Mini S pag naka-fold siya. You got here your mini stand. You get here your Type-C to USB connector. You got here the camera control cable. You got here the manual. You got here the getting start manual. You got here your sticker. Yun, sticker. Thumbs up kay Moza Mini S. Ganito naman si Moza Mini S pag may stand at pag naka-unfold siya. Yun. And try natin siyang i-set up ulit. Always remember, twist it to the right all the time. So, ganito naman si Moza Mini S pag nakatayo siya without the cellphone. Hold the power button for at least 3 seconds. And by default, naka-yo follow mode si Moza Mini S. Every time you switch on, naka-yo follow mode na si Moza Mini S. As you can see, you got here your joystick. You can move it upwards and sidewards. At this moment, hindi ko pa ginamit si Moza Genie app. Para bumalik naman sa yo follow mode, click the trigger 2 times. As you can see, bumalik na siya sa yo follow mode. And let's try to put the stand. Ayos to pag gusto mo lang ilagay si Moza Mini S. After putting the stand, ito naman siya pag naka-set up na. Ayos. To activate the modes, dapat mo lang i-memorize yung mga clicks. To do the inception mode, triple click the lower button. So, ganito si Moza Mini S pag naka-inception mode. Pwede mo rin siyang i-triple click to go back to the default setting. The blue light is the battery indicator. You also got here your click buttons. Marami ka pang pwedeng gawin gamit si Moza Genie app. On side view perspective naman, ganito si Moza Mini S. Again, that's the joystick. You can control it upwards, downwards. You can control it into inception mode. Pag din-triple click mo siya, again, clicking the trigger device twice will send you to the yo follow mode. I will try to make a full tutorials on the Moza Mini S. The Moza Mini S can last up to 8 hours. Clicking the lower button 2 times will send you to the sports mode. You can move the gimbal with faster response. The Moza Mini S is made out of plastic, kaya magaan siya at compact. For 3,388 pesos, kasama na doon yung shipping, sobrang sulit si Moza Mini S. Sana po nakatulong yung unboxing at short review ng Moza Mini S. Again, this is Jorem of the Easy Access. Don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button with the notification bell. Thank you, God bless, salamat po, keep safe. See you in my next video.